Alright guys. I'm working on a monkey place video. So here's some things I want to tell you about it before I fully release. So first of all, um I don't know if I explained this in the video, the first part. But I can't play Gorilla Tag anymore. My Gorilla Tag is taken over by a little kid that player attacked me in the video. And um, I Gorilla Tag by joining little kid lobby is like the random public lobby I instantly joined. And I found out I got player attacked the day after that. Then I found out I got dogged. Some update. Then I found out I got hacked yesterday. So basically, I can't play Gorilla Tag. That's why I'm doing this monkey place. So basically, it's my first monkey place video. It's me waiting for that thing. I show you around everything. So yeah, until my Gorilla Tag gets fixed. My content's gonna be monkey place for now, and I hope you like it. And if you like monkey place and you're waiting for the video, just subscribe to me. It would really help. Because I try to tell people this, like Payam's the lady, but like I try to tell like people in VR this on different games. You don't listen to me, you subscribe to me, and people will start listening. So I really appreciate it, and yeah, have a great day, and